Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Make sure your Google account is signed in and your phone is unlocked. Confirm you have Wi-Fi or mobile data available for settings to sync. Open the Google Pay app from your home screen or app drawer now. Tap your profile picture in the top right to access account options. If you see multiple accounts, choose the account you want to use. This prepares the app to designate a primary payment account in the next steps. In the Profile menu, tap Payments to view linked cards and bank accounts. Scroll to find the card or bank you want to make primary and tap it. Look for the option labeled Set as Primary and tap to select it now. The app will update your default payment method immediately after you confirm. Return to Settings and check Primary Payment Method to verify the change. If you have more than one card, repeat these steps to change the primary account later. After setting a primary account, complete any required verification steps immediately. You may receive an OTP or be prompted for two-step verification to confirm ownership. Use a secure screen lock and enable Google Play Protect for added safety. Review account permissions and remove old cards you no longer use from payment settings. Test the primary account by making a small authorized payment or sending a low-value payment to a trusted contact. This verifies functionality and ensures your primary Google Pay account is configured correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.